I just want to show you my room here in hotel. This is our room for today. We have two bedroom. Yeah, this is so nice. They have also aircon, so nice cabinet and TV table, and this one the CR, and this one the CR. So, yan, CR. Ito po yung CR. Super nice room. Hello. Yeah, this has